Hello students, my name is Rasika Saste. I am working as an assistant professor in IT department of AISSMS IOIT Pune. So today's topic is network topology in computer. So a network topology is an arrangement with which computer system or network devices are connected to each other. So topologies may define both physical and logical aspects of the network. Both logical and physical topologies could be same or different in the same network. There are different categories of topologies are present in computer network. There are main four types: mesh topology, star topology, bus topology, and rings topology. And we can combine any two or any three out of them, and we can form another topology named as a hybrid topology. Okay, so we will see these topologies one by mesh topologies are present. So there will be no data traffic issues, okay, as there is a dedicated link present between the two stations. So this is the major advantage of using mesh topology. So the next topology is the star topology. In star topology, each device in the network is connected to the central device called hub. Okay, and unlike mesh topology, star topology doesn't allow direct communication between the device. A device must have the communication through the hub. Okay, so if one device want to send any data to other device in the network, it has first to send the data to the hub, and then hub will transmit that particular data to the particular device. Okay, so this is all about star topology. So the next example of topology is the bus topology. In bus topology, there is a main cable and all the devices in the network are connected to the main cable through the drop lines. Okay, so there is a device called tap that connects the drop line to the main cable. Since all the data is transmitted over the main cable, there is a limit of drop lines and the distance a main cable can have. Okay, so this is all about the bus topology, in which each station is connected to another station via the drop line. So next example of topology is the ring topology. In ring topology, each device is connected with two devices on each other side of it, and there are two dedicated point-to-point links a device has with other device and either side of it, and this structure forms a ring. Okay, so this topology is known as the ring topology. So if a device want to send the data to another device, then it will send the data in one direction, and each device in ring topology has a repeater. If the received data is intended for the device, then repeater forward this data until the intended device get it. Okay, then the next example of topology is the hybrid topology. So in hybrid topology, it is a combination of two or more topologies. This is known as the hybrid topology. So for example, a combination of star and mesh topology is known as the hybrid topology. So in this diagram, we can see this is the combination of bus topology and star topology. So there are different categories of network present. For example, local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. So in local area networks, we can use LANs if the distances are short between the devices, and there will be the designated link will be provided to find out the local interconnectivity between the devices. So in wide area network, if the distances are long, then we can use this WAN structure, and it will provide the connectivity over the large areas. And the third one is metropolitan area networks. So they provide the connectivity over the areas such as city or a whole campus. So these three are categories of. Thank you.